basically.
Yeah, 85 out of
What?
85 out of 100.
Yeah.
Mm. But they're good, like it's like a B.
Yeah.
Anyway, like still improving. Alright. So now coming back to the rates. Have you ever
Ratio.
heard about the rates? The rate.
Forgot about it.
Okay. Rate.
I will get empty water on my desk.
What's
No,
the
no.
definition of ratio from yesterday?
Let me grab.
The note, or maybe the note is just a note, and after class you throw it away.
If you hear something in the background, it's my TV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the definition of ratio from yesterday? Did you take a note?
Yeah. The definition of ratio is a comparison of quantities with the same unit.
With the same units. Now, the rate is a comparison. So, rate is very similar to the ratio, but it's comparison of quantity with different units. With different units. That's why you always see with the rate and always see they come with the units. Ratio, it's not come with the units because it's the same unit. So when we simplify the unit, it's like £5 over £7. When we simplify the units, it's only the number with the number, like 5/7. But the
Yeah.
rates, you always see something like, okay, let's
Do I have to take notes on this? Because it's basically the same thing.
it's the different things, like it's the opposite things.
Okay.
So the rate, yes, the rate is comparison of two quantity with different units. Ratio is with the same units. Let me see example. Once you make 9 gallons of coffee for 50 people. How do you write these rates? You make 9 gallons of coffee.
Nine.
Yes, the answer. 9 gallon of coffee for 50.
Wait, is it nine colon 9 gallons colon 50 people
9 gallons
colon
gallons
50 people?
50 people. Yes. The answer. So this is actually the answer. Or in the other way, we know that we can write it as the fractions. Right?
Yeah.
9 gallons over 5 people. Correct. Now you cannot simplify the units, right? That's why left it there
Yeah, we can simplify it. They're different units.
because gallon and unit C, it's a different unit. So that is this kind of thing is called rates.
Great.
Rate, yes. This is also rate. Mhm.
Yeah.
I think it's called rate. So let's give another example. Another example. Let's say you drive from Your state is Arizona.
Yeah.
Okay. You drive from Arizona to California. California. What is the distance from the Arizona to California? You know,
What from like just
200 miles.
like the capitals?
Yes, 200 miles, 300
Look
miles.
it up because I actually don't know.
Okay. This
By like car or like by like
by the distance. Distance mean how far from Arizona to California. Let me check. Let me Google.
the state line?
Yes.
Like in kilometers or miles?
Yeah, in kilometer or mile, but I think like in America
Six
we
hundred
use mile.
fifty-eight
Oh, 600 miles.
58.59 kilometers
Uh, Google.
or
I checked from
600
Google. It's like the distance
400.
is 632 miles. Wow.
Oh, it's 409.23 miles.
Really?
Like the state line. Wait, drive?
Yeah.
Oh, then drive. It's like 12 hours and 44 minutes.
12 hours for 12 hours. That's it, like 12 hours.
Yeah, but saying
Like
736.5 miles.
yeah, 600 miles for 12 hours.
No, 736.
736.5 okay, point 5 miles for 12 hours. Hmm. So write this as a rate. How do we write this as a rate? You drive from Arizona to California's 736.5 miles for 12 hours.
736.5 colon 12.
Mhm. Wait, 736.5 miles
Colon
colon
12
12. Don't forget
hours.
the
No, my wait. Hours.
hours. Okay.
Oh, 12 hours and 44 minutes. But I don't know if you want that.
Okay, we just that. So, or you can write 736.5 miles over 12 hour as a fractions.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is actually the rate, but sometimes we don't want to left it with the decimal number. So what should we
Yeah.
do?
Okay. We convert it into a whole number or we round it to the nearest
So
decimal.
we
Nearest.
so we
Round it up to the nearest number.
yes we
737.
700 700 still 700. We get rid of the decimal, so we shift this to one more digit. Right.
Oh,
Yes.
then it's 7,365.
Yes. 7,365. But miles. But denominator becomes
The denominator becomes.
denominator becomes now we shift one decimal, right? One digit from after the decimal to here, meaning that we also need to shift one digit at the denominator as well.
So we add 0.
We add 0, so 120 hours. Is this a rate?
Yeah.
Yes, it is a rate, but not a final answer yet. I can tell
Yeah.
it's not the final answer yet. Why? Do you know?
Because he's still
We still can
simplify.
simplify them. Yes, we can simplify. We simplify this. Simplify with
Oh, sorry. We can simplify it with 5.
5. So when we simplify with 5, we get 5. We get 5.
$1,473.
We get
473.
1,473 over
24. Wait. Yeah, 24.
24. Can we simplify more? Hmm.
Hmm.
And on top of that,
Yes.
don't forget to write the units.
Oh, yeah.
For that, don't forget to write the units because rate always come with units.
Okay.
Ratio don't have unit because they are at the same unit, so we already simplified. Now
Yeah,
this one
yes.
1,473 and 24. Can we simplify more?
Yeah.
Simplify the with the
Hold up. I'm trying something out.
mhm.
Okay, never mind. I don't know what we can simplify with.
Simplify with the 3. 3. This
Oh my
simplify.
god, you're right.
Yeah. But why can we figure out these number can divisible by 3? We
Can we just figure out the LCM?
no, we use divisibility rule, right?
I forgot about the disability rules.
Divisibility rule, divisible. So any number that divisible by 3, any number divisible by 3 unless the sum of all digits of the number are divisible by 3. It's like
Like
1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 equal to 10. And
491 over 8. I have the answer. I simplified it.
okay, but a little reviews on the divisibility rule is we sum all the digits. If all
Like,
the digit is divisible by 3, then
like 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3. And if it's divisible by 3, it's divisible.
yeah, then it is divisible by 3. So this number when divided by 3, 1,473 divided by
It's
3
441 over 8.
over 8. So 441.
41. You want to check?
Yes. We check the numerators.
Ah, sorry. my four looks like a 9. 491
Yes,
over 8.
191 over 8 miles miles over
And
hours, right? Or sometimes you may see something like 491 over 8 miles per hour. Sometimes they just write something like this. Have you ever seen mile per hours?
yeah.
Yes. Or sometimes we make it as the word 118 mph. mph is mile per hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so now a little.
Good at
No,
science?
sorry.
Are you good at science?
Okay, okay. Like just like okay.
What are you best at?
Math.
What are you the worst at?
The what?
What are you the worst at? What are you bad at?
Oh, I think maybe literatures. But I don't read a lot.
Literature?
Yeah, literatures. I don't read a lot. But you're good at literature. For me, I don't. I don't want to read.
You're joking. I'm the best at literature and I'm the worst at math. That's great.
Math. Okay, so note when it come to the when it come to the rate, be sure that it will be reduced, meaning it's simplify. We need to simplify. So what is simplify? Simply,
Five.
yes, something like that. Simplify. And next is don't forget to write unit.
The units
Yes,
of
units are written. Okay, so two things to be note with the rate is make sure to reduce and units are written. How about ratio? What should we?
huh?
What did we note about the ratio? Like, what did we need to notice about the ratio?
Like the difference between them?
The okay, the different is different of units.
The difference is that ratio has the same units,
Have the same
and that
units.
you don't need to write down the units,
Correct.
and that yeah.
Okay. So on the other, okay, now this is rate. Next one is called unit rates. Unit rate. Have you ever heard about unit rate?
I feel like I've learned all of this before, but forgot.
Mhm. Or
Like
sometimes have you heard about the units? Units of quantity.
everybody knows about units.
Yes, unit of quantity.
Only like rates and ratio.
So units of a quantity. Okay. Unit rate is a rate. Okay, let's give the definition first. Unit rate is a rate where denominator is denomi denom, wait, denominator is ones, meaning that it's by 1 unit. Okay, let's give example, maybe easier to understand. Example, 26 miles per gallon. Okay, this is unit rate. 12,
Yeah.
26 miles per gallon. How do we write in rate? Unit rate.
Huh?
26 miles per gallon. meaning that it's
26 over 1.
26 over 1 or 26 over 1, but don't forget the
The units
yes, miles per gallon. Okay, mile per gallon means miles gallons.
of gas.
Gallon is a unit of volume, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like gas or something per gallon of gas.
Yes.
Like miles a unit of length. Okay.
Miles per
Oh my god. It reminds me of like when we had like conversion and I'm like converting units are so easy when I was at what's it called? Do I
convert
use
from yeah,
huh?
convert from matrix to imperial.
Metric. Wait, do we use metric in
It's
America?
America, so it's imperial.
Metric is in America.
America is imperial systems.
I was so easy when I was doing metric, but then I failed so bad on imperial.
Yes. Okay. So why we study the unit rates? Because when we have like 26 mile per gallon, it's this interprets. What can this interpret? 26
What is
miles
this?
per gallon. Yeah, can be interpreted. Meaning that every 26 miles
Every 26 miles
you spend
is a gallon of
a
gas.
gallon of gas. Yes, you spend a gallon of gas. 1 gallon of gas. Or on the other hand, we can say 1 gallon of gas. 1 gallon of gas. You can travel 26 miles. Miles. That's why we study unit rate. Similarly, so on the other one more is
I don't know why, but I hate cleaning my room. But whenever I get oncology for some reason, like right, all I want to do is clean my room.
so one more is let's say 24 miles per hour. So if we write as a rate, it means it's equal to what should we write as a rate? 4 miles per hour.
4/1.
Yes, 24 over 1 miles per hour. Or sometimes you can write as 24 miles per hour. And some people don't want to write this thing, so they write it like 24 mph. Mph.
Yeah.
So next is what do you think? Can we convert from the rate to unit rate? Unit rate is of a denominator of 1. So, for example,
What rate is has the denominator of 1?
yes, unit rate have a denominator of 1. For example, we have 275 miles per 5 hours. Can we convert this into unit rates?
No.
no.
Can we?
Can can we or cannot? Yes or no?
Wait, converting it to unit rate.
Yes.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can.
By
5.
by five. So when we divide by five,
We divide by 5.
get the answer.
Oh, you want me to get the answer, like, actually?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
We get
55.
55.
No, what the?
What is the units?
Yeah, it is. What shipping? Yeah, it is 55.
55
55 miles
miles
over 1 hour.
over 1 hour. We can write it as 55 miles per.
Hour.
Okay. When it's come to the unit rates, we always hear about the word per. Like mile per
Per.
hour. Like what else we have? Mile per gallons. Something like this. Okay. Let's give another. Let's say another example. Okay. I make I make $80 per day. $80 a day.
You do? Interesting.
Just like example.
You actually do?
Uh, just example. Like I make
Oh,
$80 a day. So
18?
T
Oh,
$80 a day. Do you see the screen?
yeah,
Okay.
80.
$80 a
I,
day. A day
I thought
is
you
normally
said you actually make 18.
okay. A day is normally
24 hours.
it's 24 hour, but for working we only work for by the labor rules we only work
There's
eight,
326 days in a year, right?
yeah, 366 days in a year, but a day we only work 8 hours by the rule. If you work
Okay.
more than 8 hour, it's like again the rule. Why like okay, like why actually like we work 8 hour a day? Because like they they do a survey, and it's like 8 hour of sleeps, 8 hour of working, 8 hour of resting.
Wait, so you work 8 hours a day?
8 hour a day, yes.
Like, actually?
Actually, yes, 8 hour a day.
If you actually earned $80 a day, you would get like 26,000 zero 80 for a year.
But of course, like we have Saturday, Sunday,
Saturday,
holiday,
Sunday.
right?
Oh, like day offs?
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay.
There's like a 5-day week
Mm-hmm.
according to calendar job. Yeah.
Okay. For example, I make $80 a day, and normally a day is 8 hours. So how much I can make in an hour? How how much I can make in an hour?
Oh, I don't want to divide. I don't know. Divide 80 by 24. Wait, you work 8 hours?
One day I work 8 hours, and one day I make $80. So
You work 10 hours.
8 hours.
No.
Hours. So we can write it as $80 a day, right? So this means $80 per 1 day, correct?
80 divided by 8.
But
Wait.
yeah,
No.
1 day we work 8 hours. So divide by 8 hours. Is it a unit rate already? $80 per eight
Yeah.
hours. Unit rate have to have
Denominator 1.
denominator of 1, but now our denominator is
1. 8.
8,
1.
8 hours. Now it become 8 hours. So we need to divide by
8.
8 to get. So 80 divided by 8 is
10.
$10 per hour. Right? So meaning that I earned $10 per hour.
That's actually pretty good.
Yes, something like this.
Like,
Hmm. Okay, so let's give another example for you. Example, uh, you you s- you solve okay you solve a piece of land or like piece of piece of land at the price of 1,200,000 for 1.5 hectare of land. What is the unit price? Hmm. What is unit price?
oh my lord. All of that for a piece of land?
Yes, one
What are you taking
million.
it on there? So.
Yeah, $1 million. So, but this is in reality, like a
What do you want with a piece of land? Are you gonna start drugs or something?
no piece of land. Land, land, the property, real estate property.
Oh, I thought you meant like one of those like just like land in the middle of the desert or something.
Land, property. Okay, let's write it as a property. Property
Really?
land, yeah. Piece of property land at the
Do you have TikTok?
price of
Sorry.
$1,200,000 for 1.5 hectare of land. Do you know 1.5 hectare of land is okay? A little bit review about the volume. No,
No.
the area.
Sorry. Scared.
One
Sorry.
hectare equal to how?
Um.
One
Wait. What?
hectare equal to how many meters, square meters?
No.
How many square meters?
I don't remember.
So the area of a land or area of anything, if it's big, it's converted as a hectare, right?
A rectangle.
A area of a rectangle, area of any shape,
Length
any
times
shape,
width.
yeah, any shape. If it's small, it's just a small piece. We measure it as a square meters, right? Why? Because it's meter time meters, so it's meter square. But when it's come too big, like a land of a rice field or something like that, it's volume,
Yeah.
right? It's very big. So we measure it as the hectare.
Hectare.
Hectare, yes. Hectare. Hect.
It's not capacity. Capacity is volume. What am I talking about?
No, this is area. Area, not capacity.
Mass, length, length.
Length is the distance. Capacity is capacity is a
Volume.
yes, meaning that okay, the water inside the bottle is a volume, but the area is the length and the width. So this surface is the area. Like for example, this surface is the area. The land, the piece of land is measured as the areas.
Yeah.
Have have you ever known about the area? Area of a
Length.
triangle, area of rectangle,
Yeah. Length times width.
its length and width.
What is that?
The area is
You want to
this
know what are the
shape.
sides? It says like a something something.
Side. Area of a rectangle.
No, the side on the quadrilateral shape.
Oh, you
Like
mean like
thing
what
right.
is the area? The question is.
Is that you trying to spell area?
Mhm. So the area is these, let's say like these painting regions is called the areas.
It's measuring.
Is so this region is the area, meaning the surface of this painting region is the area of these shape. For example, the area of this rectangle, meaning that it's this is the area. This is the areas. This is the area. If it's volume, meaning that okay, this kind of volume, meaning all of this. So it's three dimensions. This surface plus the height is the idea.
Hmm.
Mhm. Okay, so I think idea, but for this exercise is not likely to be more complicated. It's just how you convert the hectare into the meters, square meters.
I don't know how to convert hectare to meter square.
Okay. So 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter.
Did you just explain it? Cause I know you didn't explain it. Did you?
1 hectare. Okay. So this is the units of conversion from hectare to meter square. This is like a one note. So
One equals 10,000 meters squared.
yes. So now in order to find the unit price, we want to have how much dollars in meter square. How can we convert this from this hypothesis into this answer? How can we convert from the hypothesis?
Dollars is currency, but meters is length. How do I do that, man?
But it's a rate, right? It's a rate. It has to have different units. So now it's different unit. It's a
But it's not a unit of measurement.
measurement is this.
Yeah.
But
Dollar.
the rate is the proportion of two different units, right? Here, it's a comparison of two different units. Now we have a unit of dollars with its currency, yes, and the unit of area. So now we have two different units. So we need to write it as a rate. Now the question is write as a unit price. Unit price is the rate. Right now we are studying the rate. So what should
I don't great. I don't like you.
okay now A piece of land is $1,200,000. You can write it like this.
Wait, then don't we just write in $2,000 by 10,000?
Over, okay, like step by step, over 1.5 hectare, right? From this hypothesis, we can write as these fractions. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay. What we want is dollar over meter square, right? Over meter square, correct? So we
Do we have
convert,
to
yeah,
do we have to divide by hectare thing and then divide the hectare thing by the meters?
we need to convert hectare into meter first, right?
Yeah,
If
that's what I was talking
yeah, yeah, yeah.
about.
Okay. So we convert hectare into meter square. What should it be? One. Okay, 1 million over 1.5 hectare into meter square. We know that 1 hectare equal 10,000 square meters. What about
Yeah.
1.5 hectares? 1 hectare, 10,000 square meters. 1.5 hectare
35,000.
equal to
35,000. Wait, no. 3.5 hectare. Sorry. 35,000 meters.
wow.
No.
Hmm. So the answer is one hectare,
250,000.
150.
Wait. What?
1 hectare, 10,000 square meter. How about 2 hectares? Okay. Now how about 2 hectares? 1 hectare, 10,000 square meter. How about 2 hectares?
350,000?
No.
Or is it 35,000?
No. Now 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter. How about 2 hectares? Simple. Like simple convert. 2 hectare equal to
Wait. And
one
3.5?
no 1 hectare $10,000.
20,000.
20,000, yes.
3 point.
Twenty
Is it 30?
thousand square meters. This is correct. How about 1.5 now? Come back. What is 1.5 hectare
30,000?
equal? Equal to
15,000?
15,000. Yes,
So
15,000.
it's 35,000 for 3.5. It wasn't 3.5. We were dividing. Oh my god.
No, now it's just conversion from here to the meter square. So 1.5 hectare equal to 15,000 square
15,000.
meter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now write it 15,000 meter square. Now, this is the okay. Now conversion is done. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what is this? What is this?
That's the rate. No.
That's a rate,
Yeah.
right? That's a rate. That is correct. That is a rate. But our purpose is to find the unit price, meaning that unit of
Yeah.
rate. What should we do? What should we do? We only want to find the units rates. Unit rate is where denominator is 1. Unit rate is where denominator is 1. Right? Unit rate is Denominator is
Yeah, sorry, my iPad died, but do we just divide by 3?
okay. I talk the whole time by myself. Okay. Okay. So okay.
Did you start texting me? Because I could
I
just see
start
the
texting
chat.
you like I want like yeah, God.
Yeah, but do we just divide by 3?
Now our purpose is to find the unit rate or unit price of this price. So
Yes.
we make denominator equal to
1.
1. Yes. How can we make denominator equal to 1?
Do we divide by 3?
Divide by,
3?
we not simplify. So when come to units rate, we not simplify. We make denominator equal to 1.
Oh,
Yeah. How can we make the denominator equal to 1?
I jotted my notes.
We divide the numbers. We divide the numbers. We divide the numbers. So denominator always 1.
But I, but I but I said to divide the numbers, and you told me that I wasn't reducing.
Oh, reducing. Oh, maybe. Reducing is with the rates. But unit rate, we divide the numbers.
Yeah, so I said, do we divide by 3?
No. We divide by these numbers, denominator numbers.
Do we divide by 15?
15,000. We divide by 15,000 to get denominator of 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we divide by 3, we will have denominator like 5,000 still, right? It's not 1 yet. So we divide by 1,000, 15,000. We divide by 15,000, and then our denominator become 1.
1.
Now let's divide 1.2 million divided by,
Oh my god, I thought we actually weren't gonna do it. Can we get rid of the zeros, man?
yes. So how can we get rid of the 0? Denominator have 3 0, so we cut 3 0, and
Yeah.
yes, numerator cut 3 0 too. So now what we have left, is $1,200 over 15 meters square. Now divide 1,200 divide by 15, you get $100 divided by 15. We get
can I find a pencil?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
One thousand two hundred divided by 15.
Is it 80?
80. That is correct answer. 80, but 80 watts. 80,
Meter? Wait.
80 watts.
Hey,
Hmm.
HA?
80 watts. 80.
Meters?
No.
Hectocent?
Now,
Dollars!
now this number is
Okay.
1200 divided by 15 is 80. So we replace this by 80, right? Now we replace this by 80.
80 meters squared. No, it's not.
So 80, 80. Now we replace this by 80. So what
Meters?
do we see?
Meters?
Dollars per meter square. See this number replaced by 80. So it's dollar here. Here is dollar, and this is denominator meter square. So we write as $80 per meter square. Yeah. So this is
My iPad just completely died.
yeah. So this is